Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today I am making an aloe vera juice with the help of aloe vera and salt little bit. If you want add sugar you can add, or if you have any diabetes problems add with a lemon and a little bit of ginger. For aloe vera, take 1 cup of aloe vera and for 2 glasses of water is enough for juice. Peel it nicely with the knife and cut into small pieces, white cubes. Then remove and make it grind. With aloe vera, grind with a small pinch of ginger both. Then take it into glass, add sugar, or you can add salt also, and lemon. Mix it nicely, then cool it. And this is best for healthy purpose and diet to control, and it's for helpful to diabetes, and it's lot of benefits like hair, skin also. Then let's the recipe for healthy. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First of all, take the aloe vera and cut into greeny parts like this, small pieces. Then cut into like this. Cut like this. First of all, cut the edges. You can see both sides. Then cut into another side, down part. Yes, perfect. Then cut into another side. Yes, like this. Okay, then add ginger into small pieces, then grind it. I am adding sweet and salt aloe vera juice. 4 tablespoons sugar and salt little bit. If you don't want sugar, you can add only salt also. If you want to add it's lemon, you can add last also, but I am adding now because it will mix it nicely. Yes, lemon juice is over. Wow, you can see how it's became pure whitey texture. Pure white texture. And mix it for one more because the ginger is there little bit. Mix it and keep it this. Yes, perfect. For the natural healer, the aloe vera jelly is used for the digestive system. I was so amazed to see the medical benefits of aloe vera gel. Energy booster. It boosts the immunity power and control the cholesterol and low blood pressure too, and it is very useful for so many benefits, and for mainly diabetes. Add aloe vera juice is completed, then add little bit water and mix it nicely. Mix it nicely. and pour into the glasses. It's a small tea glasses. Wow. And one more glass. Finally, aloe vera juice is completed, and now I am tasting. I am added sweet and salt. If you want, add salt or sweet, it's your choice. Aloe vera, and I'm getting a lemon juice flavor, so it's disturbing the aloe vera and you are getting another taste. You can definitely enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching.